Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will talk with you about the power of consistency. So if you want to achieve your goal in 2026, so don't skip this video. This video will force you to complete your goal in 2026. So without any kind of daily off and wasting of time, I will give you a one method. By this method, you will become a very achievable person in 2026. So consistency means doing small work every single day, and when we don't have a mood and motivation. Success does not come by doing a big effort in a one day, but success comes by doing a small effort, doing every single day. Many people they started their life in 2026. Someone also joined in a gym center. Someone also joined in English spoken center. Someone also joined in a yoga center. But only 1% people will become success, and after a few months they will feel proud on their self and they will enjoy. But do you want to know those people? They will become enjoyable, they will become success in half of the 26. Those people will follow the consistency, those people will do same work every single day, they will become success in 2026. Only setting goal is not enough. In previous time, we also set many more goals. But tell me, did you achieve your goal? No, we did not achieve our goal. Only what was the reason? That reason was only consistency. Not following the consistency, we are in the same position and we could not achieve our goal in 2026. But we are not ready to spend our life in the same way in 2026 also. So how we should design a life, we will talk in this video about that. In this place, I want to discuss about the Manjhi, Dashrath Manjhi. I don't need to introduce himself. He is famous all over the world by the name of Mountain Man. When he saw his wife died due to long across, he need to cross the mountain. Due to this mountain, he need to cross 51 kilometer, and suddenly his wife died. Then time he took decision. I will cut this mountain and I will make a road. And as like my wife, another woman not need to die early age, and he took a decision. It was so easy. Taking decision is not so easy, but applying and these things in a real life and start action, it is so difficult. No support, no money, and he belongs to a poor family, and no one here to pay him a single on rupee for these things. He has to bear many more problems in this journey. He had to go jail. He had to bear the humiliation and he had to bear everything. But he did not leave his journey. He start working by one hammer and chisel. By these two things he cut the mountain, and within 22 years he completed his mission, and finally he made a road by the name of Manji, and he got the name entire all the Mountain Man. And Dashrath Maji proved, means by only one thing, by consistency you can achieve everything. Sometime by money, by power, we can't achieve that type of things in our life. Bro, if you want to become success, so start follow the consistency. No matter where are you, what is your field, no matter, But if you do these things, so one day you will become success. Your consistency and your focus will give you a very good result, whatever where you want to reach and where you want to achieve. When we see the same things in, in our real life, when we want to see the consistency in nature, then we'll find Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he created everything, but he did not create anything in exactly. He made this sky within 6 days. So he can do anything within a second and less than second, but he need everything. He grows everything slowly and with consistency. Just think about a tree. It was a small seeds. By the seeds, it transformed into plant, and from plant to it become a tree, and finally after 30 years it become a big tree. Even we find a very big tree. So this tree every single day was growing, and it was growing, and it was become strong. And within a one day we don't find a strong tree. It is impossible. So but when we want to become success, and when we start a career, that time we want to see the result within a one day, within a month, within a year, because we are so hurry. We are not ready to wait for result. How much time we think about result, less than we work. We don't make a routine, we don't make a action plan, we don't make a work plan, just we think about the result. Enjoy your process and leave result on the hand of Allah. Allah will give you better than your wishes, but focus on your consistency. Do this work regularly, do this work with focus. When you will apply these things every single day, one day you will find your goal, one day you will see your result, dear friend. But there is a question: how can I become a consistent person in my life? Many more time I fail, but how I can make my 2026 very, precious, very important? So there is a on formula. What is your profession? Whatever you set goal for yourself, try to find out the reason why you want to do this, work. What is the reason? If you don't have a purpose, then nothing will change in your life. You will spend your life in the same way. If you want to become a singer, so ask to yourself, why should I become a singer? And if you want to become a teacher, ask to yourself, why do I need to become a teacher? If you want to learn, English language, so try to ask, yourself, why do I need to learn English language? Your reason, your purpose will force you for complete, your task every single day. So find out a task. And second, try to make a work plan for every single day. When you will design a work plan and routine, and try to maintain a diary for every single day. For example, you want to become a fluent English speaker, so set a time. How many time will you practice every single day? 4 hour, 5 hour, according to yourself, and try to complete this task. When you will not complete this task, that time you can decide, and that time you can think, I am not doing my work. So as how you can follow the consistency, a work of every single day will give you your success, and it will make you, success in your goal. There I want to give you one method. This also will help you. It is called GST, but not I am asking about percentage. GST G for greet yourself. When you set a goal for every single day, means every single day I will study for 4 hour, I will practice 4 hour, 5 hour, and set a goal. When I will complete my 5 hour, then I will eat favorite sweet and favorite things. For someone also, game also, some movie also. So set a goal. When I will complete my task, then I will use 10 minute, 20 minute my favorite things, and you can greet yourself as how. What is your favorite? So set task with these things. When you will do this, so that time your mind will force you for doing these things very consistently, and by this process you will do this work continuously. As for slap yourself, means punish yourself, means when I will not complete my 4 hour, I will not take my breakfast. Even when I will not complete my practice time, I will not take my dinner. And when I will not complete my task, so I will donate 100 rupees. So when you will do these things 1 2 day, automatically your mind will force you for doing this work consistently, and your mind will force you do it regularly. And third, T4 means trade yourself. Means try to trade yourself. Means if I learn this skill, what will happen? I will find a good job, I will achieve a good level, and I will find a good level, and I will earn a good lifestyle, I will earn a good money. When I will do these things regularly, maybe I will crack the exam. And think another way. If I not study, if I not complete my task, whatever I set for every single day, what will happen? I will not become success. I will fail. And what will happen? No money, no respect, and same life and humiliation. So when you will think in both angle, so your mind will give you force. You don't need motivation. You don't need mood. Your mind, your inner heart will force you for complete this work. So as how you can become a consistent. So without consistency, you can't become success any field, and you can't be a successful in your life. So how else your 25? Live it and start new beginning 2026, and apply only one things, means consistency. By consistency, you can become a success in your life.